suspending 7 BLOs in West Bengal. So they have been suspended over poor performance in digitizing the enumeration forms. This comes amid the big political face-off that's already underway. My colleague Ridhita is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Ridhita, why did the EC suspend these 7 BLOs?
Well, absolutely. The ECI has suspended 7 BLOs now in West Bengal from the Kolkata's North region, which is in Beliaghata constituency, for their poor performance in digitizing the enumeration form. And all the 7 BLOs have been asked to now has been showcased for their poor performances and digitalizing the enumeration form. So time and again, we have also heard of complaints, especially when Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee yesterday wrote to the CEO. She has mentioned that a lot of mistakes are being noted in the enumeration forms, and for that very reason now, while this enumeration forms were digitalized and entries were put in by this 7 BLOs, and also complaints have come in that they have not helped out people. They have not been in touch with people, gone to their places and taken down the notes or collected their forms in the process that it should have been happening, or other constituencies who are facing. Since they did not do that, a complaint was registered to the BLA and also to the help desk in the Beliaghata region, after which the 7 BLOs, in a check of about 7 days, which is a week, the ECI had taken a decision to now suspend them.
Okay, all right. So they have been suspended because of the low performance or poor performance in the digitizing of the enumeration forms. But as far as the process is concerned, Ridhita, there has been a lot of controversy around the BLOs as well. Yesterday as well, we saw the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee also writing to the CEC, claiming that there is a lot of pressure on the BLO. So this suspension comes amid a lot of political bickering that is taking place over the SIR exercise, isn't it? Thank you for joining us with those